Hi, Regina here. I talk much about attention. I have a blog post about attention, but I wanted to discuss it even more here in this video. We are into the digital era, and if you have a business or you want to have a business or to turn your side hustle into a profitable business, you of course need a social media presence, and it's tougher than ever too. It's a lot of competition about the attention, about being seen on social media as well. So I really want to encourage you to follow and subscribe to other small business owners accounts, small businesses accounts, since it means a lot. If you want to support yourself from others, then it's important that you support others as well by giving a thumbs up, subscribe to YouTube channels you like, and don't be afraid of that, since it's so important that the content gets appreciated. If you appreciate it, it's a good idea to view it. Also visit the accounts and see other videos, gives a thumbs up, and it's more important so than watching TV series. It's better if you can support small business owners. I would really recommend that. And it also gives a lot of entertainment, actually, to see what other people are doing. And on the topic of attention, perhaps since there's so many videos and you don't make that long videos, as many short videos. So that's why it's important to kind of visit the account, check some other videos and see, okay, this account is about this and that, and okay, then you can kind of more get an scope about what's the accounts, what they are doing. And that is a really good idea to support small businesses because it means a lot. As I said, if you perhaps you will need some support yourself, so as with your account, so it's important that you follow other accounts and be social on social media, not just kind of view and have opinions. You can make some comments. You can also say, this is a very nice video or something. If you comment and give a thumbs up, it means a lot to everybody. So I'm an advocate for helping small businesses, and I think it's important that we do that we really support and give people the attention. I don't know, but here in Sweden, it's much competition about the attention, of course, in social medias everywhere, but it's not a good idea to be jealous about the attention and kind of do everything to get the attention. That's not good. It's better to have a better, and there's also been a development within social media that it's better to have kind of a good content than just posting videos that doesn't mean anything. So it's a good idea to have some kind of value that you contribute with. And on the topic of attention, I think it's a good idea as well to really support small business accounts, since everybody is kind of competing about the attention. But everybody also has the possibilities to really get the attention on social media. So that's the same for everyone. So you have the more possibilities than ever to be seen with your small business account or your side hustle or your what you're doing. Yeah, so niche down your accounts to they say kind of 3 to 5 different topics, so they can see a bit what you do otherwise in your spare time and who you are, and your videos and your posts all communicates your values also. So don't be jealous about the attention. Everybody can get the attention online. And again, I want to encourage you to contribute with supporting small businesses. It's very important. So I have a pre-recorded business educations in marketing, in depth about leadership, and also some finance. It's an MBA I have, but you can you can study the marketing and leadership separately. I have a master's degree, and that's not an MBA, a master's degree. It's a 4.5 years just university in business management, and I have 20 years experience that I contribute with. So you can avoid pitfalls, and you can pivot within your career, or you can pivot within your business and really excel. So I want to share that to you. And I also have coaching, both pre-recorded coaching for the important fundamental things that you really need to take care of yourself. Self-leadership and self-esteem is very important. And that about the attention, if you have a solid self-confidence, you're not that worried about other people getting attention. If you know if everybody gets some attention, it's okay. So you don't care that much, in my opinion. But check out that is how to keep a winner's mindset. It's a pre-recorded coaching. And combine the coaching, I also have one in real life coaching online. The coaching and the business educations combined is my business mentorship program. 1 year where I'm with you or online to give you feedback and to customize your plan and how to help you to navigate within business. Very interesting. So check out my websites for more information. I also have blog posts. I also have a lot of videos everywhere. And I also have 2 books published. One is released. Structure is Key to Success. It's about self-leadership, but also about leadership. The second book would be released early 2024, and it's about leadership. So check out my websites and give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, YouTube channel. And please support other small business owners and their accounts. And also follow me on other social media platforms. Have a great day. Hope to see you soon.